This is RM660. Today I used this mower after like more than a year. It sees like more than 5 seasons sitting outside, and when I try to use this this evening, I ran over a stump and the blade caught the stump on the ground and it broke the belt. The belt was pretty much good because it was not used a lot. The pressure was too much, it broke it. So when I went to local tractor supply store. That's where I bought it originally, first one, the broken one, and I asked for County Line brand. They sell it. That's the one I was using before. So anyway, this mower is 6 foot 72 inches from left to right, this deck size. However, this mower doesn't take the 6 foot County Line brand belt. It takes 5 foot, and I'm going to show you this for my record also. This one is 5 foot finish mower belt. The instruction says 5, 6 and 7 foot finish mower. So basically this can be used for different sizes, depends on the pulley configuration. Since this RM660 is an old finish mower, it doesn't have the adjustment for the pulleys, static adjustment. It has a spring tensioner on this side, which basically provide tension to this black pulley, plastic one, and all other pulleys, like 4 pulleys, they are all metal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside under the gearbox is the bigger one. That's all the metal pulley. This is the only one, this plastic one. And since I got this, I found the broken pulley. So this one I already replaced long time ago, like few years back. But and also I replaced the belt. But problem is, this mower doesn't have a static tension. Static tension means which provide tension with the screw, and it remains same. So this is an old one. It wobbles based on the speed of the mower, and once I use start, you can see this pulley wobbles because it has a spring tension while it's running. So the point is, for this 6 foot finish mower, the belt you need, V-groove belt you need, is the 5 foot of the County Line brand, not the 6 foot. 6 foot is going to be at least 6 to 8 inches larger than what you need on this tractor. So that's all. I already grease fitted, fill the grease with the Zerk fittings. I install on each pulley. There are 3 of them and 4 on the wheels. So now I'm ready to go. Gearbox takes oil. The only amount you need to fill is to reach this black cap. It has a tube inside, so if it's more, which you can see I put more, so it's going to basically spill out from a hole right on the cap, very tiny hole. You may not be able to see if there's a dirt on it. So keep it clean so any extra oil can spill out instead of busting inside. That's all. Bye.